Okay guys, as promised, here's a quick run video with my Hoover Turbo Scrub 50. It's not been used. This is just dirt and collection stuff that collected in it from sitting in the basement. It's brand new. I only half filled the tank with hot water just because I'm only gonna do a little bit, and it's got the solution mixed in. So go ahead, give this a first run ever, and see how good this machine does. So release the handle and hit the power. So let's go ahead. It automatically starts sucking stuff up. Go ahead. Forward. In reverse. Go ahead, go forward. The carpet is actually not that bad. Okay? It's at the max that this cord will let me reach. Alright guys, I'm going to get back to cleaning this the rest of the way, and I'll give you a look into it when it's all done and show you the dirty water. Well guys, that's after using the floor scrubber the other day. You can kind of see the lines in the carpet. Looks a lot nicer and cleaner. Then I just vacuumed it again with this old Eureka of mine. Go ahead and show you here. The nasty water pulled up. I'm gonna do this again in a couple of days. Since it's got a lot of cat hair in there. It's the issue of having cats, and you can see a lot of it clogged up in here. And I just cleaned this with a professional grade Bissell carpet scrubber the other about a year ago. I still gotta clean it up. It's still dirty from sitting in the basement, but yeah, yesterday was the first run of this. So it's got a little tool door. This is where the hose would go in for the dispense the soap and everything to use it. It's got some tools and the hose for it. But yeah, guys, that's how good that Hoover Spin Grub 50 did. Well, Turbo Scrub Spin Scrub 50, same thing. But yeah, that's a lot better than what it was. So a couple more times, and it probably would look pretty good. Anyways guys, thanks for watching.